Wise makes it easier to manage your finances than ever before. With secure bank feeds to all major banks in Australia and New Zealand, and Microsoft's CoPilot AI, Wise removes the manual process of reconciling your bank transaction, reducing errors, and helps close out your end of month quicker. Here you can see the bank account reconciliation unprocessed in preview, with over 100 transactions to reconcile across potentially 4 statement lines. With Wise Bank Feeds, you can quickly reconcile your invoices and payments by automatically pulling your bank transactions into Wise. When you're faced with difficult transactions such as lump sum payments, Wise does the hard work for you by using the power of Microsoft's CoPilot AI. Instead of exporting transactions to Excel and combing through transactions line by line to match individual entries with grouped payments, you can simply click Reconcile with CoPilot. First, rule-based transaction matching will automatically recognize and match each single line bank transaction, and CoPilot will provide you with a proposed statement showing how lump sum payments could be reconciled. You can easily review and verify these figures by clicking on each entry and then with a single click, apply them to your ledger, saving you hours in reviewing transactions and manually reconciling figures. Better yet, CoPilot will also find and help transfer unprocessed transactions such as bank fees. Here's an example of a small bank fee. If we click transfer, making it fast and simple to reconcile your accounts. You can see that CoPilot suggests posting the transaction as well as which account it should be posted to. This is just one example of how you can save time with Wise using AI and automated bank feeds. For more information or to book a free demo, find us at wise.com.